good morning. It is Easter Sunday. And we are about to partake of an Easter brunchy buffet. I stuttered the word buffet. So this is part 2 of our Las Vegas trip. And where are we going today?
Hoover Dam?
We're going home. I'm just kidding. We're going to Hoover Dam first, then we're going home. So.
Oh wait, so do you want?
Are you woke? Yo, Billy. You woke, bro? Maddie is not. Maddie slept on right now.
Guys, I am not slept on.
Mom is slept on. Look at that. She is so slept on. You guys want to know something about Ken's? Something really cool about Ken's?
What?
Do you know what she is? She's my cherry pie. Oh, hey. Hi. There it is. It's not necessarily land ho. Water ho. We are in the parking garage. We are on our way to go check out one of the man-made wonders of the world. I wonder what that could be. How excited are you for this? This is like monumental. Just so you know, like I'm leaning against something, but look how exponentially taller, like Billy is. Like I have to do the tilt. There we go. There now. See, I don't feel so short anymore. Billy is a mute. He doesn't talk. In fact, can you say something in sign language for us? Peace out. Are you peacing out or piecing in? Piecing in. He's piecing in. Not piecing out. I think he's excited by the way he's like rocking back and forth, or maybe he just feels really insecure. Stop. Not excited. Excited. Okay, we're good. Do you know what else is just as equally fascinating? The ceiling. Look at that.
I'm so pale, I'm like glowing.
Look at those shoes. Some shirt. Some Grateful Dead. Is your favorite ice cream Cherry Garcia?
Yes. Actually, it's not my favorite. I do love Cherry Garcia.
Is it just because of the Grateful Dead reference, or?
I actually just happen to love Ben & Jerry's and...
She's about to put it.
So, we are on the dam right now itself. We are crossing across the dam. And we're going to take a gander at Lake Mead. And then we will take a gander on the other side of the dam. And you will get to see where electricity and power are generated. And Hoover Dam is named after, I believe, none other than J Edgar Hoover, one of our former presidents of the United States. Here, I'm going to try my best not to drop this.
Don't drop that.
That is a very long ways down. I'd say probably about 150 feet.
It's funny because it doesn't seem that high, but I know it is.
That's my guess, about 150 feet to the water. enough that if
actually
you
is a lot
jumped
higher than
and
it
you
is.
landed funny, you'd probably break both your legs and probably your pelvis. I would not jump. So, look at that though, the lake. It's a nice, beautiful day, very warm. So now you've seen the side with Lake Mead. Here is the power plant side.
Have you seen the video where they throw the basketball off of here?
I don't think, is it off of this one?
It's not off of this one.
So, danger, keep off the wall. I wonder how many people have sat here and just took a tumble. What's that? Ah! Should we roll a penny? So before we got on the dam, I read a plaque that there was a plaque that was saying in honor or memory of, and I don't know how many men, but there were lives that were lost in the process of building this this dam. It truly is probably one of the man-made, I'd say probably one of the marvels of the world. It's huge. It's pretty cool. So it's definitely worth checking out if you guys are ever out near Henderson or Vegas. It's worth the like 30-minute drive out here.
But I just said, I wonder who saw this like river valley and was like, hey, just put a giant dam right there. That sounds like a great idea.
Well, it generates a lot of electricity. It's still a functioning hydroelectric dam. So, hey, let's go over to Arizona. Does anybody want to go to Arizona?
Yeah, let's go there.
I'm going to Arizona. Would you guys like to join me?
Arizona's all there.
Yep, we're going to Arizona.
Yeah.
I'm going. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it?
Look at it.
We are in Arizona.
Just look at it. Arizona doesn't have. Arizona has their own time.
Arizona does what they does.
Because
They do what they does.
Because they don't have daylight savings, they're actually, I think, the same as us, right?
Don't know.
I'm pretty sure.
I
At least
don't
right
know.
now. They.
What, this wall right here? Ah!
Can you not? You're throwing $260. Just talk to you.
Did that freak you out a little bit?
A little bit.
Hey, you're in Arizona now. It is rather windy, so if anybody can't hear this, I'm sorry. But we are done checking out Hoover Dam. It's rather fascinating. Definitely worth your time if you ever come out this way. But we have a journey this day. And actually, we've gone through 3 states today. We will go through 3 states today. So, it is what it is. Did you guys have fun? Obviously, Maddie had so much fun that she just wants to bust out her phone and learn more about Hoover Dam. So educational.
Continue on Hoover Dam access road
Whoa!
for 2 miles.
Apparently we haven't gone there yet because Google Maps is trying to get us back there.
You are on
Billy!
the fastest route.
He's a mute.
He's a me.
Did you have fun? Billy had fun. And if Billy had fun, then we're all good. Look at this. Look, she's not even paying attention. Oh. She doesn't like being in the vlogs. I need to make this very clear. It's all in good fun. I make the devil laugh. And I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it again for at least like a vlog or 2. So
Hey, we're back in Nevada instead of Arizona.
she's not that bad. It's all in good fun. Seriously though, she's evil. We are fueling up. Look at that. So tasty. She's gonna sue me.
Cash me outside. Mom.
What a great weekend. We had a fun time traveling back today. We are tired. So we will see what tomorrow brings. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, check out past videos, and go ahead and leave any comments in the comment section below. Why are you still here? Go home already, weirdos.